5/12/21 Rio Tinto used to be the bull market back under the Obama administration. Sure did. It's always been the best. And let me tell you, that's where the money has been. We started buying this thing way, way back over here, 325, when it was way down here. And now, every time we get a pullback, which isn't very often, like here, we had a little drop down pullback and whatnot. And we had a little pullback over here, only to make what? We just made 52-week high right there at $96. And now we're pulling back. This is some profit taken today, and we hope that it will pull back more. So we're going to set alerts. This is where that last breakout happened. And every time you don't buy the pullback on Rio Tinto, now there were earlier times when you can get 5 or 6 days in a pullback, but this is the best of the breed. This is where the money's been rotating. They did take profits in Rio. Rio Tinto was the best one. It didn't come down that much. They don't move a lot, but it came down $2.62, okay? After making a 52-week high. And there's been many times, like when I show you over here on a monthly chart on Rio, we had other great highs, and we had pulled back in this month of March, and the low was 73. But we made another 52-week high of 96 in Rio Tinto. We started buying over here back in October of last year when it was down here at $57. And, hey, you almost have a double. But let me tell you, once it pulls back, if it does, boy, we would love to see it pull back on this and consolidate where this monthly consolidation was, where that trend line is. I don't know that we get that. We are hoping that we do, so that we can get a good pullback and buy it again when it makes another 52-week high. Rio Tinto will do well throughout the summer and going into the fall period, believe me. We buy the dips on this one, and we started buying it. And let me tell you, it's been a long, long time since we have had a daily sell signal on this thing. And we bought every pullback that it did, and then we would make new highs here, pull back, make highs, pull back a little bit, and then really had a nice breakout the last week. Oh boy, and some profit taken today with the pullback. Just choose your entries. Be patient with this one. Rio Tinto is the bull, and inflation and their higher prices. They execute around the world better than any of them.